Yes guys, welcome to a new video. Today's Monday, new week, new chances, and today I'm gonna trade. Today's a beautiful day, it's Monday. We have no news Monday and we have a CPI week. So with that in mind, I wanna only trade in macros because we don't have really a news driver. Let's quickly go over it. What do I expect? So I have to wait here, I can do anything here. I expect it to go higher, so if it goes higher from here without me, that's fine. So quickly go to the daily first. Also always wanna start there. Daily suspension block here. This old one, I wanna use that and I wanna see today's using those levels to create PDVs on to then go higher inside of this buy side here. Look at the dollar. What I'm looking for on the dollar is this sell side here. It's clean. We've been staying in the lower half of this daily inversion. If we keep doing that, simply I'm bearish. So I see this rally up not as okay, we're gonna go higher. I see this manipulation betrays to go inside of the sell side later. We go to a yes as well. We are typically just on all-time highs, and I don't want to call it top. I have some standard deviations from the low here to the high, and this one from this high from the last 20 days, the high and the low, and that's the -1 1 hour fair gap here. I want to see that inversed, and this 1 hour order block is my target for now. So with us being bullish, I wanted to see higher. I wanted to see us trading discount so I can buy. Simple as that. So we took the sell side here, and I graded the first percentage of Friday, so the first gap after 9:30 at Friday is here, and I want to see price stay in the upper half of it. So I'm bullish. I mean, if you are bearish, let's say we are gonna go lower. Let's say I'm just simply seeing it wrong on the 50-minute on the bias being higher. We could go towards the sell side, but for me, it's not necessary because dollar is aligning for higher for us to go higher. ES is on all-time highs, YM is on all-time highs, and Q has a clear strong buy side here, and I think that we already did enough for us to go up higher. We see us trading bomb lower with speed, taking the low here, and yes is not doing that. So yes hasn't taken out his low. So for now it's an SMT. And also here you have a lot of buy side, a lot of clean, beautiful buy side here. Simply that we're gonna target. So that's there. So we're just gonna see how do we react here. Okay, we closed and touched the daily suspension block low. Also, I want to mention is I'm also looking at the September contract on the mini, not on the micro, because there you also have that suspension block, but it's a little bit different than the one on the micro. So okay, so we get close towards the macro. Again, this is not necessary for me, the sell side. This is just telling me, okay, we work the low of the suspension block, we can't even touch the body close towards it. And there's an SMT, and then we want to, yes, inverse this gap. If this gets inversed on the yes, first percentage gap on NQ, it's simply a long, it's just a 930 manipulation model. What is the model? You simply open up, have a manipulation through the swing that we have here. We are bullish, so we want to see manipulation swing lower. We do that, taking down some sell side, getting people trapped lower, and then we want to see the wheel move. Stop is probably going to be on the CE of the first percent of Friday. The partial buy side is this, and we inside the trade. Stop at the CE. So Monday, just buy side is here. You can sell at SMT and we hit our target. I'm gonna see does dollar goes higher for now. Okay, so that's something you don't want to see particularly. So that's maybe a point that you want to say, okay, that's not good. You really need to see it get lower here. Okay, we're getting stopped out here. Okay, I'm getting stopped out. Is it done? No. I'm gonna see how does the body close here. So it's not done. Simply telling me, okay, I'm getting stopped out. I had my stop below the CE. Just got me on one tick. 25 candle low at. Oh, I'm getting stopped at exact low. I'm still getting stopped at. Okay, so dollar was a little bit against us. Yes, it's not showing me enough right now, so we have to kind of wait for price to align again. Went a little bit deeper than I thought with this retracement. I knew that we could retrace towards the first percentage here, so that's why I wanted to have my stop below the CE. But just exactly the low of this candle got me stopped out. But that's fine. As long as you stay in the upper portion, you should be fine. If you go in the lower portion here, then my eye drops towards the south side here. If dollar also keeps continuing higher. I want to see dollar turn. It seems like dollar maybe want to turn here, want to go lower. Yes, looks good. I think it's aligning good. I'm now gonna probably go with 2 micros and not with 3 because 3 is a little bit, maybe a little bit too much. Okay, what I like is this wick. Why do I like this wick? Because it's on top of that octave by 2 more. Putting the stop here. One partial here. Same ID. Okay, so what I like is we have this first percentage of today. I ended on it again. Second time going above it, so now I want to see it go. It's 10 o'clock. What do I like? We have a suspension block here, and it's aligning with this wick, and I like this wick because this candle on top of it, it's aligning with that octave level. So there's key levels. I'm just using key levels and time and liquidity. It's that simple. So the first partial is not a lot of money, but it's just like a little bit of money so I can cover my loss a little bit and stay in the upper half. So that's what I'm looking for right now. Do we stay in the upper half of this first percentage? If we take down this highs, I want to put my stop here. So dollar here, we have been going lower a little bit for now. We use this daily inversion gap low, that's where we're on right now. And I want to see it go lower towards sell side. Trades inside of this gap. It's when you have this range from the low towards our high, where we expect it to go. This is like the midpoint of it. So here you expect some sort of measuring opening. You want to see it. So that's why I'm gonna go and move my stop a little bit towards the low of that first percentage. Partial is when we trade above midnight and above the buy side here on ES. And the last one, I'm simply just gonna let it win and just let my stop stay here and just let it win for buy side. So from the buy side towards the sell side, here this is a measuring gap. Beautiful. This is a measuring gap. You don't want to see price lay bodies, and you would want to have a portion open. We just when you get towards the low here, so that's good. So you know towards this quadrant. The dollar seems good. Yes, taken our buy side, so I want to see NQ follow through. Yes, we taken our first partial, so we got our loss a little bit back, not completely. Just gonna see what happens. I mean, if ES shows me we're still good. If dollar really goes lower, then I may want to target above here. But yeah, so it just got me stopped out, as you see with the wick. When we were trading below this gap and below the measuring gap, I already knew we are fucked. But what I do want to say is I still want to see higher prices. So it's not done for me. It's just I took a break even or like a little win. It's not much, but I'm still in the loss. So I still could take a trade. Also, this wick should be graded, and you don't want to see any bodies below it. If that happens, you're probably just gonna go a little bit deeper, and we then may want to go take a new day, a low day, or return in this. But I am really confident that at least the CE here, taking this highs here of pre-session. So could I enter right here, put my stop below the low, and then simply going towards the highs again? We see we need to reclaim this gap then. Let's also look at ES, of course, because we also have to look there. Still levels above us, still also ES is still bullish for me. So we are going to look at that. Dollar seems to follow through, beautiful. So everything is still aligning for higher, so I would still want to be in a long first gap. After it was this gap, and I'm entering again on that reclaimed. Wanted to see still was going straight into the buy side liquidity. Also want to see this reclaimed as well. Yeah, I think this is the bolo. Shouldn't really come here. What's the bolo? It's like a defensive PDA ICT thought, and it's simply you don't want to see it go inside of it. It's like a landmine. He said, if you step into it, you're probably gonna lose your foot. So I don't want to lose my foot. So I may want to add one more inside this reclaimed. Yeah, I'm gonna add one more, and then put my stop on the bolo. ES is again inside of the 1 hour fair gap. So ES is here inside of a 1 hour. Want to see that act as an inversion to go towards the 1 hour block. After that, RTH high, and then we have the buy side all-time highs, of course. This buy side is could have a little bit of trouble to go there because look at this. It has a lot of trouble here as well. Okay, so we're close below this one. Okay, this is not good, but we still be fine. We'll take a partial here, and then take one less off here, the highs. Like, where do we accumulate? It's around the CE of the range. So if you trade there, we could have a little bit of accumulation like this. And this is guaranteed partial. That's when ES take that non-high probably as well. And it's close towards that 1 hour order block. It's getting a little bit close towards the bottom again. I don't feel safe here. The measuring gap. Come on, measuring gap. You can do it, man. One more time. It's having trouble here. It's really having trouble. So yes, already taking down the targets here. Taking it on the low. Yeah, I took a loss again. A bit of an unfortunate day today. But I'm really gonna study today of like what could I have done better. I'm gonna be done because I can't simply trade here. It's not I can't. It's hitting a PDA that I don't want to see trade into. It's a pretty hard day. It's a little bit high resistance. It's high resistance AM. Like this on a Monday without the news, of course. So that's the reason. So that will be it for today. I hope you guys made some money, and I'll be there tomorrow.